Now just take a look at this beautiful river right here, and you can actually see some ducks right there. Now ain't this just a beautiful sight? Come on, look at this blue water right here. Look at that boat right there. Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. As you can see, I'm sorry about the wind if the sound is a little bit awful. As you can see, today we are at river that's called Neretva, and we are just outside of city Mostar. And yeah, we just had a quick stop to rest a little bit at my family's compound. And yeah, I just wanted to use this opportunity to make another video of just sharing my experience from making over 300 YouTube videos, and just telling you some tips and tricks that have helped me in some aspects of YouTube. And just by sharing this experience in this vlog style, I just hope that these tips and tricks can actually help you too. So let me just get settled down a little bit and we will get right into the video. And topic of today's video will be niching down, how to find your niche, what is niche, and yeah, why niche is important when you are starting out on YouTube. Let's just start off by explaining what niche is and why is it important to have a niche on YouTube. And once again, I apologize for the wind. It's actually very windy. It's almost 40 degrees here in Mostar, but it's actually very windy. And niche, the definition of niche is just something that's specific that you do. It's like if you are a woodworker, if you are a painter, if you are a filmmaker, if you are a content creator, if you are whatever your passion is, that is basically your niche. And then again, if you are a woodworker, for example, you can be a woodworker who works only with non-electrical tools, or who works only with electrical tools, or you can be a woodworker that is doing just a kitchen design. Like, that is niche in a niche, very specific niche, because you want your niche to be as specific as possible. But that is for later down the road. The point of this video is to explain to you why you don't have to niche down immediately on YouTube, because I will share my experience with my Rookie Handyman channel. It was called How To channel at the beginning of my YouTube career, and it was called that way because I didn't had any inspiration to name it any other name. And what I did on my Rookie Handyman channel at the beginning is I was making all kind of videos. I would just make whatever came to my mind, whatever I was working at the moment, whatever project I was working at the moment. And I started everything off by making a simple videos about how to refill a mechanical pencil. It was just something that I had on my desk, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make a video about it, post it on YouTube, and we'll see what happens with it. And actually this video has around 90k views, 90,000 views, almost 100,000 views right now on YouTube. And it's funny because it was just something that I did on a whim. It's like, I'm just gonna film something and let's see what happens. And that's why it's important not to overthink your niche at the beginning, because I made videos about pencils, I made videos about my car, about my motorcycle, about my bike, about woodworking projects that I was doing, about LED projects, about fixing toilet seat on in my toilet, basically in my bathroom. I was just making whatever I did, I was making videos about it. And for your first 20 to 30 videos, this is perfect solution for you, because during this process you will see what works for you, what kind of videos do you enjoy making, what kind of video format do you enjoy doing. Like, do you enjoy making this type of videos where you are just looking at the camera, head talking videos, Or do you like demonstrations more, like you are demonstrating something and you are filming the process of it? Or do you like presentation? For example, maybe your niche is Excel. You are excellent in Excel and you know so many tricks around Excel. Excellent. You can just film your screen of your laptop and then you can just put your face down in the corner right there and like put your authority out there in that way. So when it comes to niche and niching down on YouTube, do not overthink it for your first 20 to 30 videos. You make these videos for you. YouTube is a long game. You want to be sure that you can keep making videos, and you want to be sure that you choose a niche in which you have a lot of content to make about it. Because what I am doing right now with this channel, Irfan Delic, my niche is I help beginners with their YouTube channels. I help people to optimize their YouTube channels, to have some kind of offer that they can sell on their YouTube channel. And this is basically all that I'm doing right now on this channel. But I have this experience from making over 300 YouTube videos. I have made on my Rookie Handyman channel 250 YouTube videos, and I made on this channel 50 YouTube videos, and I actually had 3 other channels that I deleted that were about cleaning tips and tricks. One was workout, because I have a background in MMA fighting and so on, and the third channel was about AI, because I did a little bit of that in my 9-to-5 job. And I made all of those videos. I ended up closing those channels because I just didn't see myself doing it for a long period of time. But this is something, this channel right here, this topic that I'm talking about with you right now, this is something that comes natural to me, that I can talk about it every day, and that I just don't see a problem for me to make content about this subject and to help people, to talk to people, to guide people in this way from my experience, from making all those videos. And this is now what I'm trying to explain to you, is that this is now my niche. My niche is just helping beginners to start their YouTube channels the right way, to optimize their YouTube channels, and to start generating sales from their YouTube channels. And now how to do this is subject for another video, but what I'm trying to convey to you is basically you want your niche to be something that you can talk about it all day, every day. And if you have a hobby, if you have a passion, then you have your niche. Basically, you have your niche defined because this is something that you enjoy doing. This is something that you do every day, and when your friends and when your family asks you about it, it's like you can guide them and you can show them how to do it. You can talk to them about it every day, and this is a concrete proof that you have your niche defined. Now in the beginning, just don't force yourself to make videos just about your passion. Just make different type of videos, different format of videos, just to see what what feels best for you, what sticks best for you. And then eventually over time, after 20 to 30 videos, you will get into a groove of what makes you tick, what kind of videos do you actually like making, and you will also see what your audience enjoys watching. And this is the most important part, because you want to have a perfect combination of what you like to do and what your audience likes to watch. And then when you find this match, it's just like keep making those videos, and eventually you will become successful on YouTube. So I hope that this clarifies a little bit this taboo subject of niching down on YouTube, and should you niche down immediately, how to niche down, what is your niche. So just don't overthink it, don't overcomplicate it. It will come to you naturally, just like it did for me. I was throwing out videos out there left and right for like 2 years before I niched a little bit on my Rookie Handyman channel, and even then I was not completely satisfied with my niche. And then I like made complete switch, started a new channel, this channel, and it's like this is something that I actually really enjoy doing. This is something that I have a lot of experience about, and I can talk about it all day, and I feel comfortable talking about it. So this is it. For me, it clicked after 5 years on YouTube. It finally clicked that I found my niche and that I found something that I really enjoy doing. So just do not force yourself to niche down too quickly, because it may end up as a wrong move. It may end up like something that you actually don't want to do in the long term, because YouTube is a long game, and whatever niche you choose, if you really want to be successful on YouTube, if you really want to make a living from YouTube, then you just have to make a peace that this is something that you are going to do for the next 10 years. And if this is something that you can do for next 10 years, if this niche is something that you can talk about for next 10 years, then yeah, that's it. You have found your niche, you have found something that you can talk about all day, and just stick with it, keep making videos, and yeah, you will be very successful on YouTube. Now, if you need any help, as I mentioned on this channel, I have beginners to start their YouTube channels, to optimize their YouTube channels. If you need any help with your YouTube channel, I highly recommend checking out YouTube Hobby Academy. There's a link in the description below. This is a community of like-minded people where we just like to network with each other. We like to motivate and push each other to improve our channels, to come up with different ideas. You can see what other creators are doing, how other creators are fighting with like consistency, with all these topics that are like hard to maintain on YouTube. And in when you join to YouTube Hobby Academy, I will actually personally take a look at your channel. I will do a quick audit of your YouTube channel completely for free as a welcome gift to our community. And I hope that this is something that you will find value in. And from all the testimonials that I got from other members, this is something that was very valuable to them. So yeah, if that's something that sounds interesting to you, go check it out in the link in the description. And if you want to see 10 brutal truths. Yeah, my English is my second language, so sorry about that, but it is what it is. Like, over time you just get comfortable with making mistakes in our videos, so you don't care a lot about it. So if you are watching me now, that means that you have found value in this video, and thank you for doing that. If you want to see what 10 truths I have learned from making over 250 YouTube videos, check out this video right here. And I will leave you with this beautiful view of the river Neretva one more time. Look at it, beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.